Hello everyone, welcome to our podcast, and this podcast is the continuation from our short film project, the Necro Life, and in here we will talk about some of the technical stuff behind the film, in fact behind the production of the film, maybe some difficulties that we had, maybe some behind the scenes from our film. So for those of you that are watching or maybe listening from your phone or whatever, I heavily suggest for you to give it a watch first. Give the short film a watch. So because maybe in here we'll talk about some spoilers from the film. So if you don't want to get some spoilers from the film, I suggest you give it a watch first. Okay. First of all, I will introduce myself first. My name is Marcos Makaribo.
My name is Kevin Simantupan. My name is Kenzie Rumimba.
My name is Iskero.
My name is Gerang Poju.
My name is Leon Leke.
Okay, that is all for the cast of our film. And now maybe the first question that I want to ask the cast of this film, maybe about our role in the film. For me, my role in this film is just as a friend. In the context of inside the film, my role is as the friend of the main character Tia. My name is also Marvel in the film. We didn't choose any other name. We just use our own name. So in this case, my name is just Marvel. And inside the film, I didn't really have some major act or something. I just suggesting some ideas to the MC, and in one of the scene we are vlogging our project. Of course, this is a spoiler, so again, if you haven't watched the film, give it a watch first to understand what I am saying. So in the film, I just recording some vlog, and then all of a sudden the camera just like fall down, and then the MC just get teleported away in some, maybe you can call it a hallway, a pathway, whatever you want to call it. But it's like some kind of scary experience if you experience it personally. So moving on, behind the scene, I act as the director and also the writer of the script. But of course, there are some members that are helping me. But for the major part, I am the one that takes care of almost all the things, and including the editing. But of course, if you watch the film, the editing is kind of far from the word good or perfect. It is also because it is my first time editing a video. Again, that's just an excuse. That is, of course, because it is the first time for me to edit a video. Okay, that is all. Next, maybe for the cast. Maybe first I will ask Kenzie. So, in this film, what is your role?
In this film, my role as a guest friend and a ghost. When as a guest friend, I help Kia for helping for God, and when and after that, when for me as a guest friend, I help Kia to calm because he's panicking. So after doing that, as a ghost, as a ghost, after that, I panic Kias. Of course, that's my role as a ghost for the scary MC or Kias. And after that, for making a post, for making some poster, I twist. And after that, I twist to. After that, I twist to making a poster with my team. So in making the poster, I have my experience for making that poster. It's my poor experience. So in making the poster, I put some silhouette where that's meaning it's the poster meaning is the MC is dead or she's just trapped in the nightmare or the limbo. And for for the title, so the reference I get is a negro, that means a dead or nightmare in the or some nightmare or people meaning. I get it negro, it's some comic. I got it in the comic where in the comic I saw some character where the job is necromancer, where his job is for arrest dead people. So necro means death or nightmare, and for life we got it for life when when life meaning it's the MC is still alive. So the necro and life we combine it. So the meaning of your title it means the MC is trapped in the limbo, but she don't realize she's dead because she's still alive in that film. Is that?
Okay, to sum it up, Genzi. Okay, to sum it up, Genzi had quite a big role in this film. He's the one that acting as a ghost, and also the one that suggests the title Necro Life. You got it from comic book, actually. Yes. What did you find? So what we said, Necro. So Necro Life came from two different words. The first is Necro. It means some kind of death situation or maybe a nightmare, and life, which is just a simple, like a simple word which means just simple like just life, like that. And so the main idea of the title and also the film is like someone that is trapped inside of a situation where some kind of a nightmare. The night in his nightmare, he's not realizing that he is trapped in some kind of loop, like a time loop or something like that, and some kind of time loop. Okay, next, maybe ask again for the maybe for the MC. Yeah, as the MC, you have quite a big role in this film. So for you, what is your role? Can you explain it deeply about your role?
My role is the main character, also the friend called me Kia. Talking about the story and character is a trap or a dream. He keep walking up to the same place or different place after he after he experiencing abnormality. He saw I play the main character of the story. He is called Kia. Talk about this story. The character is trapped of a dream. He keep walking up for same place or different place, and then he experiencing abnormality for every day. After he going through the experiencing, he just realize he's stuck in the loop, and in the end he realized that all of the effort he is the useless, and he's stuck in the loop forever. So my role, I don't have a big role to shooting video, to take a video.
You're the MC. That's a good role.
Yeah, it's just taking videos. Just use my phone. So yeah, a big role.
For your information as well, for the listener, the device that we use for recording this podcast and also the film is using Kia's phone because we don't have any camera or like that. So we just use some simple mobile phone, and the device that we use is Kia's phone. Yeah, it's Keythings. It's nice. Thank you, Keythings. Okay, next. Maybe to save some time, I'll ask one more participant for this question. Maybe for Raven or Kevin. Which one of you can answer?
This, of course, Kevin.
Okay, I'll ask Kevin. For this film, what is your role, and can you explain it?
My role is film is MC Friends. I call me Kevin. In film, I'm in friend, MC Friends. We often hunt out on campus. We'll filming in one scene. I proposed a film project idea to my friends. There are also dreams in dark alley, where Manfred and I can sleep so lost. You responsive when the MC comes. During filming, I also have a camera to record and recommend friends to distance locations. Maybe
one of the chances that Kevin didn't have the chance to be the ghost for the story. So the one that feel the role as the ghost is me and Kevin. So in one of the scenes in the dark alley, when the MC gets teleported away when the flogging scene, the one that acting as a ghost is me and Kevin. So in that scene, we just stand there like this and just standing in the dark and like just stand still like this in the dark, and it's actually quite a scary situation. If you standing there alone, maybe it's kind of like a scary thing to do. But in the scene, it's me and Kevin, so the scary part didn't really feel that scary at all. Okay, maybe that's just all that I'm going to question for the cast about the behind the scene and also the role when making the film. Okay, next topic and also the final topic. Now we will talk about the benefits that we get from making this film. Of course, from making this film, we get a lot of benefit, and also from me, you and me, we have like different benefits that we get. For example, for me, when making this film, I get quite a lot of benefit. But the main important part that I can learn, I can get from this film is first, I get to learn a new skill, editing skill. Of course, from what you, if you have watched the film, from what you can see, the editing part is still on the work and still can be improved. That is because that is a new skill that I have learned, and I'm still trying to enhance what my skill. Maybe the next thing that I get, the next benefit is maybe I get new ways to manage my time. From what I have explained before, the difficult part that I get, the difficult part that I experience from making this film is one of the difficult things that I experienced from making this film is time management. But also because of it, I get to learn new ways to manage my time. I will explain it more because that's just it's difficult to explain. My point is I learned new ways to manage my time. Maybe next for Kia, the benefit that you get from this film, what is it?
The benefit I get this film, how to make a movie and how to acting, because it's my first time to acting this film, and also this is my new experience in the making of film.
Okay, so basically it's the same for me. I also get the experience of making a project in a film, and okay, from what I heard, it's actually quite the same for you and me, and from that, I believe it will give a great impact for both of us, because acting skills that we get from this, it's actually quite a strong skill to have, like a good skill to have, especially acting, filmmaking. It can get you to places that you maybe didn't maybe from this project you can get to president. Well, you least didn't expect. Okay, next, maybe the last, maybe you can see from this film, what's your opinion?
It's for me, and of course for my team, we can learn in this project film is we can get some upgrade in our skills. For me and of course for my team, sure, in making for this project, what we can learning is we can get some upgrade in our skills in this. For me and for my team, of course, so we can learn and we can get some upgrade in our skills. When we learn some, we can learn some, we can learn and we can get some opportunity and we given so
Just to find
okay. For me, of course, and for me and for my team, of course, what we can learn in this project film is we can get some update in these skills and we can learn some opportunity and for my team and for me and my team, of course, what we can learn in this project film, what we can get in this project film, we can get some upgrade in our opportunity, and for given we can. Okay, for me, what we can learn from this project film. For my team, of course, what we can learn is in this project film we can in our opportunity in the process of making this film, the given we can have is making this film is we can also have some opportunity to onboard English speaking and or as working as a team. We can learn some words in working for the film. We can learn some words, new words in my team. Maybe we can learn new words in Gerald, Kias, or Marvel. And it's in my opinion, it's great work, and we can get that skill in our hard work. Of course, we had until midnight. Yes. And that's hard point. Is that?
Yes, of course, the time we record till midnight, and it's a great experience, a fun experience, but also a very tiring experience. But we get through that, and all in all, the result is great. And maybe we can call that great. It's like a good, but with some maybe we can call that good, but with some minus point. call it like that. And that's actually what we plan to do in this podcast. We have talked for quite a while now about the making of our film and the behind the scenes when making this film. And of course, we as a team, we have different side of story when making this film. If you are interested in maybe talk about some behind the scene process when making this film, you can just contact our main cast here. But if this is just the bonus for maybe for those of you who have watched this film and maybe you are wondering, what is the main message of this film? What is the main plot of this film? Why is it confusing? It is actually what we are intended to do. If you take a close look at the title of the film, we call it Necro Life. In Greek, necro it means death, or as Kenzie just said, necro means death or a nightmare. And life, just a simple word like a life. And if you combine the two, you can get some wordplay. You can you can interpret it as a life between death or death between life. And so the main plot is actually, if you haven't understood it yet, is about someone that is trapped in some type of like a loop. You can call it a time loop, or you can call it a limbo. So he is trapped inside of like this recurring dream all over, and he is just simple like that. He is trapped in there. He didn't have any way out, and he even didn't realize it. He didn't realize that he is trapped. He just trapped in there forever. In a limbo it's never ending. So that's just basically all of it. Again, if you want to ask more about the project, if you want some insider information, maybe some stories behind the scene, whatever it is, you can just contact our cast in here. I'm Marvel, Kevin, Kenzie, Kia, Gerald, Raven. You can just talk to us. Ask question to us, we will answer that. So yeah, that's basically it for this project. All in all, I hope you're enjoying this podcast, this simple podcast. And if you have any other question, you can just contact us if you want. Again, that's all from us. Thank you for listening this podcast, and goodbye.
Don't forget to subscribe.